Hi, my name's Tracey McMillan and I'm from Forge Legal, and today I want to talk to you gentlemen about my top 5 tips on what you can do when going through child custody to best set you up for the family court. So number 1 is when you're separating, make sure that you're having regular time with the children. If the children are not in your care, that's okay, but make sure that you're maintaining that bond. So as much possible time as you can have with the children, please take it, okay? I know that you're going through a hard time, but whatever time is difficult for you, I promise you it's tenfold for your children. They need that bond, they need you. You are their dad, remember that. They do need you, and the family court your family court matter will benefit as a result of it. The second one is don't take no for an answer. So for instance, if you've separated, mum's taken the children and has said, no, you're not having any time, keep asking for that time. Now, I don't want you to say, hey, bitch, give me my kids, because then you're going to end up with a DV or a DVO or an AVO against you. So that's not what we're intending to do. But I do want you to keep asking to spend time with your children, because it's in their best interest to maintain a relationship with both of you. They have two parents. There was no immaculate conception involved. So you want to actually maintain that bond. Thirdly, is you want to actually be careful about your email and text message correspondence. So I highly recommend for people where things are really hostile, phone calls are sometimes not ideal, then put it in a text message or an email. But when you're writing it, I want you to write it. I want you to leave it for 24 hours. Do not hit send in the heat of the argument or when you're really angry, because you're going to be swearing like a trooper in there. So we don't want that. We don't want a DVO brought against you or an AVO. But I want you to leave it for 24 hours, come back, delete it, and rewrite it. You should never put anything in an email or a text message that you do not want before a family court. I catch many people out in matters who have done themselves in through email and text messages. Okay? So number 4 tip, talk nicely. I know sometimes all that's going through your head is, oh my God, how the hell was I ever in a relationship with you? You are a psycho, crazy, I hate you, blah. Now, you might be thinking that, but your children do not need to hear that. The courts do not ever want to hear that. It will only backfire on you. So what they want to hear is that you're talking nicely about them. It doesn't have to be about what they're doing. Stay out of their private lives, but it does have to be about the children, okay? It's really, really important that you do that. And that then blends on to my final tip, which is communication in relation to the children. So even though it's talking nicely, with communication, any piece of communication you have with the mother needs to have in the back of your brain this one question. And that is what I'm about to say, write, or do truly in the best interest of my children? Now, I don't mean, yeah, because I hate mum and they need to know. They don't need to know that. I mean, is this truly going to do them harm, or is it going to help them? Now, if the answer is no, this is not in the best interest of the children, then it's simple. Don't do it. Okay, I mean it. Do not do it. It is the one thing I give my clients. That is the one test they all have to do. If the answer is yes, I truly believe in my heart this is in the best interest of the children and it's not tied up with my emotions, my anger, my jealousy, anything like that, then do it. If it is I don't know, then the answer is you don't do it. Okay, if there is uncertainty here, you do not take that path. It is really, really important. They're only top 5 tips, guys, but take them, use them. They will help you dramatically in your family law matter. If you want some more information on it, we have plenty of resources available about some more tips that you can utilize on our website at forgelegal.net. If you want to speak about it any more, you want some more guidance, by all means reach out to me. it's 13000 Forge. We're here for you. Otherwise, good luck with it, and remember, best interests of the child always.